At Puddle, we teach over 25,000 children to love the water and swim beautifully every single week across our baby and preschool and our swim academy classes, from birth right up to the age of 10. Woven throughout all of those lessons is a focus on personal survival and life-saving skills, and we'd love to be able to bring those skills to the children in your care. Alright, Year 1, it is lovely to see you all. Thank you so much for letting us come in on the very last week of school. How exciting.
We are aware not every child has access to swimming lessons. At Puddle, we're committed to our mission that we want every child to love and respect the water. This is why we offer water safety awareness talks to children at primary schools and nurseries throughout the UK.
We're here to have a little chat to you today about how you can keep yourself nice and safe in and around the water.
Water safety is part of the national curriculum, and it's essential that children learn about self-rescue and personal survival. And we cover all of this in our fun and educational presentations.
Amazing job, there is. Well done. This blue person's having a lovely time, aren't they, at this water park, sliding down into the water. If you're going down a water slide, do you think you need to check who's at the bottom of it before you go?
We have both summer and winter themed water safety talks, where we talk about identifying dangers, what to do if you get into trouble, or if you see someone else in trouble in the water. And we cover all settings, not just swimming pools.
Are you ready, Puddle? So hold on, it's okay, we're going to rescue you. Pull them in, pull, 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 pull. Fantastic job, thank you, my lovely. So you can stop it down.
And all of this is delivered with one of our highly qualified expert swimming teachers, and of course our wonderful Puddle the Duck mascot. All children will receive a certificate, including key learning points that they can talk about with their grown-ups at home.
And then if we needed rescuing, what do you think we would shout for? Help. Should we shout for help really loud? Ready, 1, 2, 3? If you'd like to book a water safety awareness talk, please get in touch via our website. As long as you have a space for the children to sit, we'll do the rest.